Okay, the question is a number when successively divided by 5 and 6 gives remainders of 3 and 2 respectively. What will be the remainder if the number is successively divided by 3 and 4? It's a straightforward question based on what successive division. You divided it by what? 5, then 6. They leave a remainder of how much? 3 and 2. So the smallest possible number will be 2 into 5 plus 3. That is 13 is the smallest possible number. Is it true? Think about that. Because 5 into 2 gives you 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 when divided by 5, what is the remainder? 3. But when you divide it by 6, what is the remainder? Is it 2? No, it's not 2. 13 when divided by 6 will leave a remainder of what? 1. No, it's a case of successive division. So quotient must be divided by 6. What was the quotient? It was 2. So this will work here. The smallest possible number will be 13, and all such numbers will be 5 into 6 into k plus 13. Now the next part of the question says what will be the remainders if the number is successively divided by 3 and 4. So when you divide 13 by 3, what's the remainder? 13 divided by 3. What is the remainder? It's 1. So what was the quotient here? 3 into 4. So now this 4 should be divided by 4. What is the remainder? 0. Remainder must be 0 here. So the answer should be what? 1 and 0. But if you look at the options, there is no such options. So if you want to eliminate the other options, what I can see, 1 will match here. So it should be C, because your number is of this form, 30k plus 13. So whenever you divide it by 3, it will always gives you a remainder of 1, whatever may be the value of k. But when you try to divide it by 4, every time you will get a different remainder for the different values of k. So I cannot say, answer should be cannot be determined. But if you look at the option C, 1 will match here. So I can mark this option. But 2 is not the correct part. Remember that.